Another day, another story. Hi, and welcome to today's video. In this video, we'll be discussing the book, The Innovator's Dilemma, by Clayton M. Christensen. This book is all about why great companies fail in the face of disruptive innovation and how to avoid it. Clayton M. Christensen was an American academic, consultant, and author who was born on April 6, 1952, and passed away on January 23, 2020. He was a professor at Harvard Business School and is known for his work on disruptive innovation and how it affects businesses and industries. Christensen received his BA in economics from Brigham Young University, an M.Phil. in applied econometrics from Oxford University, and an MBA and DBA from Harvard Business School. He joined the Harvard faculty in 1992 and was a professor of business administration until his death. Christensen was the author of several influential books, including The Innovator's Dilemma, which is considered a classic in the field of innovation and has been translated into over 10 languages. He was a frequent speaker and consultant to companies around the world, and his work had a significant impact on how businesses think about innovation and disruption. First, let's define what disruptive innovation is. It's when a new product or service enters the market and disrupts the existing market by providing a more convenient, accessible, and affordable alternative to what currently exists. This type of innovation often comes from small, unknown companies that are able to disrupt established players in the market. Now, the main argument of this book is that companies that are successful in their current business are often the ones that fail to adapt to disruptive innovation. This is because they become too focused on their existing customers and their current way of doing things. They tend to prioritize improving their existing products and services, rather than exploring new markets and investing in new technologies. Christensen argues that there are two types of innovation: sustaining and disruptive. Sustaining innovation is the type that most successful companies focus on. It's all about improving existing products and services to meet the needs of current customers. Disruptive innovation, on the other hand, is about creating new markets and satisfying customers who were previously underserved or not served at all. One of the key takeaways from this book is that companies need to be willing to cannibalize their own products and services in order to stay ahead of disruptive innovation. This means being willing to invest in new technologies and exploring new markets, even if it means risking their existing business. Another important lesson is that companies need to have a separate division or team focused on exploring new technologies and markets. This team should be given the freedom to experiment and take risks without being constrained by the existing business model. Finally, Christensen emphasizes the importance of staying close to your customers, but not too close. Companies need to be willing to listen to their customers and understand their needs, but they also need to be willing to take risks and explore new markets. Overall, The Innovator's Dilemma is a must-read for anyone interested in innovation and business strategy. It's a thought-provoking book that challenges conventional wisdom and provides a roadmap for companies looking to stay ahead of disruptive innovation. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Here are some examples of sustaining and disruptive innovation. Sustaining innovation. Apple releasing a new iPhone model with improved features and performance. Toyota introducing a hybrid version of their popular Camry sedan. Coca-Cola introducing a new flavor of soda. Disruptive innovation. Netflix disrupting the traditional cable TV industry by offering an affordable, subscription-based streaming service. Tesla disrupting the automotive industry by introducing electric cars with advanced autonomous driving features. Airbnb disrupting the hotel industry by offering a platform for people to rent out their homes or apartments to travelers. These examples show how sustaining innovation focuses on improving existing products or services, while disruptive innovation introduces entirely new products or services that disrupt the existing market. Both types of innovation are important for companies to consider in order to stay competitive and meet the evolving needs of customers. Thanks for watching. Another day, another story. It was 7 sentences in the book. Subscribe and like are a big boost to me.